In this video, we will teach an activity with phonemes O and O. Hi students, in this activity we are going to introduce the difference between the long vowel and the short vowel in the letter O. The long vowel is pronounced bone, and the short vowel is pronounced dog.
Students will join the words depending on whether they are long or short. They are going to match the word with these boxes so that they know some long and short words.
Now, I'm going to do the example of what the activity would be like. Fox, corn.